Looking to upgrade your firearm without breaking the bank? Today on Gear Lab, we're revealing 15 must-have gun accessories under $50 that will elevate your shooting experience. Whether you're hitting the range, hunting, or protecting, what matters most? All links are in the description, and yes, they're all Amazon finds. Let's gear up. First up, the GuardTech Plus Universal Gun Cleaning Kit. Your firearms deserve better than basic wipe-downs. This all-in-one pro-grade cleaning arsenal has everything from brass jags to bore ropes, letting you deep clean any caliber, handgun to shotgun. It's a mobile armory detailer in a case. Stay sharp, stay clean. Lock, stack, and roll. The MTM 4-can ammo crate is tactical transport perfected. 4 O-ring sealed 30 cal cans in one rugged crate, designed to strap to your ATV or stack in your safe. Built in the USA. Built like a tank. Stop shooting at paper. Start ringing steel. These AR-500 targets are cut laser clean, burr-free, and built for battle. Pistol or rifle, the hit feedback is instant and addicting. Neon-coated for that pop, even in shadows. Secure, sleek, and serious. The Savior Tactical Pistol Case fits 2 handguns, 6 mags, and even your Hearing and Eye Pro. It's a mobile vault wrapped in 600D PVC. Protection meets portability. Next-level visibility, Splatterburst silhouettes explode with fluorescent yellow feedback on every hit. No more guesswork. These made-in-USA targets train your eyes and your aim. For rifles, shotguns, or even BB guns. Fingers! Forget them. The Ludex Speed Loader is the Glock owner's secret weapon. Slam mags full in seconds. No pain, no fuss. Works with every Glock from 17 to 47 and 9mm and 40. Trenching, chopping, surviving. The iUNIO Multitool shovel is your bug-out bag MVP. High carbon steel, foldable, and ready for anything. Campers and preppers, this is your portable problem solver. Want elite aim without burning ammo? Ben Stoeger's Dryfire book teaches world-class shooting drills you can do at home. Practice smarter, shoot sharper. This is how champions train. Loose rounds, mags, gear. Meet your new ammo command. The Savior Loose Sacs are heavy-duty, camo-styled, range-ready bags. Built with 600D PVC armor and Velcro ID patches. You'll carry smarter and look good doing it. Take the wobble out of your shot. The CVLIFE shooting tripod rotates 360 degrees, adjusts height, and locks into V-yoke stability. From bench rest to backwoods, it's your new best shooting buddy. Transform your S&WJ frame with the Hogue rubber grip. Soft texture, rock-solid control. Whether you're at the range or carrying daily, this grip makes every shot feel right. The Magpul DAKA is the vault for your EDC. Semi-rigid, water-resistant, and built like a mini tank. Pens, tools, batteries. It organizes everything that matters. Perfect for range bags, glove boxes, or travel kits. Silence the chaos with Savior Apollo. Electronic earmuffs, 24 dB NRR gel ear pads, and a steel core headband that fits like a dream. These aren't just muffs, they're tactical sound armor. EDC royalty. The Kershaw bracket knife is a cleaver-style beast that flips open with speed-safe tech. 3.4 inches of stone-washed stainless steel. Pocket perfection. One flick and it's go time. Light it up. O-Light Baton 4 delivers 1300 lumens of IPX8 waterproof power, fits in your palm, charges magnetically, and sticks to any surface. For emergencies, campouts, or midnight defense drills, don't get caught in the dark. All links are in the description, and yes, they support this channel. Smash that subscribe, hit that bell, and comment below. Which of these is your next upgrade? This is Gear Lab, where warriors, wanderers, and wise buyers unite.